G'day everyone. I received this box from ENGINEDIY yesterday, so I thought I'd do a unboxing video on YouTube. I won't keep you in suspense. It's a vacuum engine. I'm always amazed how well these engines arrive. Just look how good that is. Okay, some more bubble wrap. It's very different. Wow. That's unusual. I've never seen. What a nice box that's come in. All bubble wrapped. Okay. Put all the packing away. What a nice box. More packing. More packing. There's bits and pieces of spares. Okay, you've got the engine. Even more packaging. Okay, it's a VE-01 vacuum engine. There's the manual for it. They're coming up in the world, aren't they? How great, this engine, all this packaging, even an operational manual from ENGINEDIY. Where's get my knife again, and we'll have a look. Lots of sticky tape. Hope everybody's well out there. And as always, thank you for watching. I appreciate your views and I always appreciate your comments. And for those of you who have YouTube channels, I always enjoy seeing what you guys put up. And ladies, well, this looks beautiful. Alright, now look at that. Alright, there we go. An unboxing video. I'll have a little bit of a look, and then the next time I show you this, I'll be inside in my steam room. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, bye for now.